In order to apply a load to only the upper half of the cylinder, I must split the face using the split line feature. To do this, I'll create a sketch on the flat face. I'll then sketch a line segment that divides the circular edge in half. This is easily done using automatic sketch relations. Once the sketch is in place, I'll go to Insert, Curve, Split Line. The type of split I'll be using is projection, which projects the current sketch onto the face. The first blank field will already contain the sketch I'm working on. In the Faces to Split field, I'll select the cylindrical face. Since the sketch only needs to be projected in a single direction, I can use the single direction option and click OK. You can see that the cylindrical face is now split in half, providing the isolated upper face where I can now apply the load. In cases where you have a reference plane that passed through the face you wish to split, let me quickly show you another approach. I'll delete this split line feature and delete the sketch I created. Here on this part, I have a plane that passes directly through the cylindrical face I wish to split. I'll launch the Split Line tool, and this time I'll use the intersection method. Using this method, I can split the cylindrical face and where the reference plane intersects it, saving you from having to create unnecessary sketches.